Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we got like this. This one we change by u. dx over 1 plus s square we change by du. This one we have u to the power of 1 over 2 because this is about the square root. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we apply the formula in here. And this one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. About u, that's about arctanx of x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.